I'm Aaron, and this is How-Tos with Aaron. Today, I'm going to show you how to patch holes in sheetrock. Alright, so I'm going to patch one of these holes that I did for cutting into the wall to get my wire in there. So where I made the cut, I've still got the same exact piece for, which is great because it's a perfect fit. If I didn't have this fit, I would take a framing square and make it a perfect square just so that it's easy to cut a new piece to, and then have a new piece cut. So now what I'm going to do to get this hole filled, take this board. You could use a 2x4. I've got a 1x8, but I've got it kind of down about 4 inches. And to set it up there, let it go past your hole about 2 inches. So I'm going to mark it right here and cut it. Alright, now I'm going to mark it this way so that it'll fit in the hole. Mark it about right there and give that a cut. Got my piece. Just feed it into the hole. Got it kind of positioned. Now I'm going to screw it right there and it's going to hold it in place. Alright, here's my piece. Fits right in. And now just screwing it right to our board. Go. Now just a little bit of sheetrock mud and we're ready to go. That's how I do it, and that's how you can do it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel so you don't miss out on other videos on how to do cool stuff. Be blessed.